All right, as you can see, my pressure washer is leaking. Watch, I'll intensely make it leak more. All right. Boy, it's leaking like a son of a bitch, ain't it, Miranda? Look at
Leaking.
it. Leaking, ain't it? Watch this. Plug mine up. Plug mine up. That I don't even have a cord in for. How good this one work. Oh, I heard something. Ow! See, leaking like all hell, like all get out. Under by my hose. What's this? I got pressure because the pump is pumping. Now, see, you turn it off. No pump. This squirts a little water like the other one does. The other one you turn it on, they ain't got no motor just running, it don't even get no pressure. Because the motor don't work. Need a new pump. Goodbye.